In this tutorial, I'll show you how to place your OCO bracket order in TradingView. By the end, you'll be able to attach a take profit and a stop loss as a single OCO bracket to a new order, and also add the same protection to an existing position. OCO means one cancels the other, so when one exit is triggered, the other is automatically removed. First, we'll place an OCO bracket as part of a new order. Open the order ticket. On screen, open it from your chart or trading panel so you can enter the order details. In the ticket, check the boxes for Take Profit, labeled TP, and Stop Loss, labeled SL. Turning these on adds your bracket exits to the order you're about to place. Now enter your desired price levels or offsets for both TP and SL. If you prefer exact prices, type the target price for TP and the protective price for SL. If you use offsets instead, switch to offsets and enter the distances in ticks or percentage. Ticks are minimal price increments, and percentage sets the distance as a percent move from entry. Double-check the direction. TP should be above entry for long trades and below entry for short trades, while SL should be on the opposite side to limit risk. This avoids placing exits on the wrong side of your order. Place the order. Click the button to send it to the market. Once the order fills, both SL and TP will become active automatically as an OCO bracket. You'll see two linked exit orders on the chart or in your orders list. If price hits your take profit, the stop loss cancels. If price hits your stop loss, the take profit cancels. That's the OCO behavior working correctly. So your position is protected without leaving conflicting orders behind. Next, let's add an OCO bracket to an existing position. Go to the Positions tab in the Account Summary. On screen, open the trading panel and switch to Positions so you can see your open trades. Right-click the position you want to protect and select Protect Position. This opens a dialog where you can attach exits to the position that's already open. This step doesn't close your trade, it only adds protection. Input your TP and SL levels. As before, you can type exact prices or use offsets in ticks or percentage, depending on what's available in your ticket. Make sure the take profit is on the favorable side of your entry and the stop loss is on the protective side. If needed, glance at the chart to verify the levels line up with your plan. This helps prevent accidental reversals where both exits sit on the wrong side. Click Modify to apply. The platform will update the position with your bracket orders. You should now see both a TP and an SL linked to the position in your positions list or plotted on the chart. These are also OCO, meaning triggering one removes the other. If you need to fine-tune the distances later, you can return to the same Protect Position window and adjust the values, then click Modify again to update. The key point is that your existing position now has a clean linked exit structure attached. At this point, you've placed an OCO bracket order in TradingView in two ways. For a new order, you enabled TP and SL directly on the order ticket, entered prices or offsets, and placed the order so the bracket activates on fill. For an existing position, you open the Positions tab, use Protect Position, set your TP and SL, and apply the changes with Modify. In both cases, the Take Profit and Stop Loss are linked as OCO, so when one is executed, the other cancels automatically. Your OCO bracket order setup in TradingView is now complete and working. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.